We're gonna have some coffee together. Let's water my plants. Look at this gorgeous orchid that Juliet got me. So pretty. How cute is she? We're gonna water her. It's only half cup. It's like a little shrub. Trousers. Love this top. This is gonna be so good in the spring. So cute. Hold on, the buttons. Little pockets. Red suede skirt. Polka dots. Because why not? I love a good pattern. And I don't have any tops with polka dots on it, so. I also got this short sleeve sweater because I love the buttons. They're like little wooden buttons, but they're just a bright blue sweater. I love this color. I'm obsessed with this. I'm very excited to wear this. It's very different. I don't know. I've been wanting something like this material and silky, and I'm excited to style this. I went to the Met a few days ago, and in the Anna Wintour wing, there was, I forget what exhibit it is. I think it's women designers or female designers, and one of them, I think it was Vivienne Westwood. There was a poncho that looked sort of like this. Oh, my aunt gave me this. She got this when she was in France about 20 years ago. Stunning. I mean, the button is a bit wrong, but it's just a sheer lace top, and the sleeves are puffy. Oh gosh, this is so beautiful. This is And then I got these boots because I don't have purple boots. They're kind of like a thick square. I'm excited about these. This jacket I found the other day. Love this. I love this so much. This was such a gorgeous find. This hat. This is like my new favorite thing to do while I'm cooking / also before I'm going to sleep. This tastes so good. So good, so delicious, and it's pretty healthy for you, I would say. It's definitely better than drinking a soda. I'll show you.
Oh, you look nervous. You do a lot of scoopings.
No, I'll show you what it looks like.
Mmm, that looks delicious.
It really is good. Oh my god! Hi! Welcome to my office! It's not really quite an office yet, but we're gonna build something together. You can't even see. Let me back up. Look how cute these are. I got them for Christmas. Not only is the case pink, but the tools are pink. They're so adorable. So many. I know what I'm doing. Where to start? I don't even know if I have like all the right parts. Like I don't know if this is correct. If you guys ever build something from Amazon and you get these and you have to use this, it really sucks. I'm very excited about this room to have my very first office. And then here. Yay! Don't tell me that. Don't. Oh no, I could go this way. No. Joke's on me. Joke is on me. Guys, I put it on all wrong. You son of a bitch. Okay, let's not do the same action again, shall we? But she's back. Are we freaking fibbing right now? I did not. How? Not again. Wait. What? Okay. Not only did I mess up once and then I fixed it, I messed up again. But we fixed it. And now she's correct. So let's see. Woohoo! Yay! The only thing that I'm waiting on for those is obviously some hangers. So we're gonna put those on tomorrow. I am in deep desire to change my hair. Luckily, my mom does hair. So we're gonna go get her hair done and change it up a bit because she's looking a little, should we look at the before? I mean, this is like 2-day natural hair, but these are usually that my curls will look better than this, but I didn't put much product. I didn't put actually any product in it, I think just like a smoothing cream, because I knew I was gonna get my hair done, so I didn't want to put like a lot of product in it. But this is the color that it is now, but it looks brighter when it's straight or when it's blown out, so it looks lighter, but it's a little darker when my hair's curly. But one, I need a haircut, and two, I just want to brighten up. I think I want to brighten up here. It's either I'm going to brighten this part up or we're going to darken it. I don't know, but I'm going to keep the ends the way that they are. So, and everything else. But a haircut is needed. My ends aren't that dead, but they do need a little something. And then like this, I need like my layers cut a little bit. So that's what we're going to do, because this isn't, it's a lot. This is actually like the longest my hair has ever been, I think ever. I think like since, I don't even know, but a very long time. So let's go hang out with my mommy. Yay.
Hug. Hug. Oh, it's so nice, so nice. So pretty. You're so pretty. Just a little something to brighten your day.
Yeah. And a haircut.
That's what I love to do on my day off. More hair.
Yeah.
Because I love what I do.
They're not even dead, it's just it's dry. Like I just need a little,
Everybody gets a little dry in the winter, sweetie.
Yeah, but I don't like the way it feels.
Some get more dry in places than others.
We're back in my under construction office. And I have another project for myself today, which I should have brought scissors up here. Nuh-uh. Oh. Oh. Like that. That's it. That's all that she does, is just go in the corners. Okay. Awesome. They fit right in there. Woohoo! Honestly, I am a builder. Like I like this. So I gotta make 3 and 3. I like building. This is so therapeutic for me. I have been waiting for this for a very long time, and I'm feeling emotional because this is just like my little office. Like seriously, this is so mother freaking cute.